Hello, this is Sammy. Today I'm going to show you how to do keyword research as a new YouTuber the right way to maximize your views on YouTube. Also, I'll be showing you a secret technique to do keyword research, and I'll give you 3 absolute free tools that you can use anytime to maximize your views on YouTube. So stick around and watch this video to the end to learn how to do keyword research the right way to gain thousands of views. And if you enjoyed this keyword research tutorial, hit the like button, leave a comment, and best of all, hit the subscription button. Welcome back. So actually, I don't want to make this tutorial too long. So I've decided to break it into parts so that you can easily follow step by step how I do this keyword research. So this is part 1 of how to do keyword research. And like I promised, all keyword research tools are free to use. Let's dive in if you are ready. So the big question is, what is keyword research, or what are keywords? Keywords are search terms, phrases, or words people are searching for all over the world. Now, as a new YouTuber, you should be careful how you go about doing your keyword research. In other words, you want to get more people to watch your videos. You must do your keyword research very properly. Here are 3 golden rules to guide you in doing your keyword research. Rule 1: see your keywords as your target audience. Don't view it as an abstract term. No, it is human beings who have contributed to these search terms. That is, they are search intents made by people. So your video should be made for people who are interested in that search intent. Rule number 2: as a beginner, you should be targeting keywords or phrases with low competition and high search volume. What this means is that you must target keywords that have limited or smaller amount of content or videos on it, but have a higher demand. If you're able to do this, then you are on your way to see massive growth with your channel. Rule number 3: don't limit yourself to YouTube alone when it comes to keyword research. Instead of depending on the YouTube search suggestions, there are other ways to do keyword research, and that is what I'm about to show you. For this tutorial, we are going to use 4 free websites for our keyword research. All these are free, and they are Google, Ubersuggest, Quora, and Reddit. But for this part, we will start with Google and Ubersuggest. Right, let's get to the computer and see how this works. So first of all, we go to Google and type a key phrase or search phrase we want to target. So let's say how to do keyword research. Sorry. Okay, I think it's already typed. Research that. So when we go through, we have to look to see if Google is ranking any videos from YouTube that has this key search term. If it is, then it is very good. So for our search phrase, we notice that Google has some videos from YouTube being ranked on the first page of its search engine. So all these videos are from YouTube, as you can see right here, and they are ranked on Google, which is very good. At least this tells us that this keyword is very powerful, is flexible, and can gain more search or more views from Google as well. Okay, so from there we have to go to the next step, because you notice that Google does not give us any metrics about this keyword. All the metrics we have here is that about this number of articles and videos on this key search. Apart from that, there's nothing here telling us about the volume of the key word, how to do keyword research. There's nothing about how competitive It is. So in order to see how competitive this term is, we have to move to another website owned by Neil Patel, who is an internet marketer. And this website is known as Ubersuggest. So we search for Ubersuggest. Okay, so we navigate to the website. Then simply put in the same keyword we put in at the Google search engine. So how to do keyword research. You sign in with your Gmail. My network is a bit slow. Sorry for that. Okay, so here we are. So you notice that Ubersuggest gives us some metrics here. For instance, this keyword has a search volume of 720 and the CEO difficulty is 10, which is easy to rank this keyword. And the paid difficulty that has to do with advertisement is also easy. And the cost per click is $12.22. So this keyword is very rich and good to target. The only problem is the search volume, which is below. Remember, we said that you must target a search volume which is about 1,000. Okay, but still you can go for this for the mere fact that it's on Google as well, which means you can still drive lots of views from it. So these are the metrics we are more interested in. So my keyword, how to do keyword research, is easy to target on Google. Okay, the pay difficulty is also easy and has a higher cost per click. So in case this keyword, I make a video with this keyword and does well, and this is what I'm going to get. Is that not it? So one interesting thing is that we also get some related keywords or suggestions to what we search in. So you notice that apart from how to do keyword research, we have how to do keyword research for SEO, how to do keyword research SEO, and a whole lot. So when we come here, when we are looking for a related keyword to what we have here, we just click this. And Ubersuggest will give us all the related keywords under our main keyword. And all this you can put as your video tags or add to your description to give it more boost in order to rank in Google. Okay, so this is very simple for us to do. It's not anything difficult. Okay, someone might ask why Google and Ubersuggest and not YouTube. Well, it's very simple. Google owns YouTube, though they all run different things, but Google owns YouTube, and Google is the number one search engine in the world, meaning that they get more traffic than even YouTube. So it's a good idea that you try to tap some of this traffic from from Google to boost your own site as well. So this is what all this is about for the part 1 of this video. The part 2 and subsequent parts, I'll teach you how to actually optimize keywords you find such as this so that you rank easily on Google and YouTube as well. Though this is very good, you can go ahead and target this keyword. It's just powerful. But then the point is, how do you optimize it to get more views from it? So that's one easy way to do keyword research at no cost at all. and sure your videos will rank and get the maximum views it needs from both YouTube and Google. The key point here is that make sure some videos are ranking in Google so that your video can also rank alongside them. However, if no videos or no video is being ranked in Google, that should not scare you. Go ahead and check the metrics in Ubersuggest. If the metrics are good, go ahead and still create your video because there's still the potential of your video being the first to be ranked in Google. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the next video I'll show you other ways on how to do keyword research completely free. In order not to miss the part 2 of this series, make sure to hit the subscription button and click on this notification bell to receive notification of the next video on how to do keyword research. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you later.